In this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into the National Bank of Canada and another one also known as, or in another one like in short from, it's also known as NBC or Alright. So let's get into the video, but before that don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video, and if you guys have any questions you can ask us in the comment. Let's get on, shall we? So for those people who do not know National Bank of Canada, basically it's the National Bank of Canada and it has branch all over Canada. So if you guys have account in this bank, you can access it from anywhere from Canada. And if you guys also want to know other advantage, you can visit this offshore website like nbc.ca to know more about it. Let's get into the video. Alright, so the first step is you want to search for National Bank of Canada. After you do that, you just want to click on Registers National Bank Personal Banking Solutions over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take its official website. Once you're over here, just click on Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you want to choose if you guys want to sign in personal or business. I want to sign in into personal, and so I'm going to go for personal over here, and after you click on that it's going to bring you over here. Now you want to enter your email ID over here. After you enter your email ID, basically you just want to enter your password over here. After you enter your password over here as well, you just want to click on Sign In. Once you do that, you're good to go. So that's basically how we guys can log in into your National Bank of Canada account. If you guys forgot your password, you can click on Forgotten Passport to recover your account as well. So that's basically it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel, and I'm signing up. Bye bye.